9. In locality gives rise to the following frequency distribution. આપણને more than or equal to 5 lakh primitive frequency 30, more than 10 lakh 28, so on we are given. Now we have to plot both the type of frequency cover, less than type and more than type. From that we have to find the median. You know that is your logarithmic, which is represented on the x-axis, and that is your cumulative frequency, which will be represented on the y-axis. So your coordinate is here only: 5, 30, 10, 28, 15, 16, 20, 40. To draw the cumulative frequency, you have to proceed at 3 steps. Find the cumulative frequency of a given chart. If you are given the simple distribution, normal distribution, then first of all find the cumulative frequency. Here you are already given. Then x coordinate, upper limit for less than time, lower limit for more than time. On y-axis, cumulative frequency. So find the coordinate. We have already find this one: 5, 30, 10, 28, 15, 16, 20, 14, like this, 40. Now it is important. Select the A on x-axis, on y. According to this formula, according to this maximum and minimum value, you have to select the scale. That we have already done in standard 9. X-axis 2 cm is equal to 5 units. On y-axis 1 cm is equal to 2 units. Clear? આપણે કેવી રીતે સિલેક્ટ કરવાનો એ સમજો. Now we will plot it. First of all, 5 and 10. Where is your 5? This here. We will locate this 5 and 30. Second, 10 and 28. 10 and 28. Third one, 15 and 16. That is your 15 and that is your 16. Then 20, 20 and 40. 20 and 40. And 25, 10. 25, 10. Then 30, 7. 30, 7. And 35, 35. Now draw this cumulative curve, smooth curve. That is your this more than type. More than type. Okay. Now you are not asked actually. ફક્ત આના ઉપરથી ડ્રો કરવાનું કીધું હોય તો આપણે શું કરશું? ટોટલ નંબર ફ્રીક્વન્સી કેટલી છે? 30. 30 divided by 2. What is your 50? Then you will take this one 15. Find the corresponding value of this one. You will get this answer 17.5. You will get answer 17.5. But it is not taxed. You have to find A. By which method? બંને જ્યાં આગળ ઇન્ટરસેક્ટ થશે ત્યાં આગળ આપણે કરશું. તેના માટે આપણે પહેલા ક્લાસ ફ્રીક્વન્સી એ શોધશું અને એના ઉપર થઈને આપણે લેસ ધેન ટાઈપ ડ્રો કરીશું. Okay. Now we are given more than type and cumulative frequency. From that we will find the normal frequency distribution. We will find the frequency of each individual class. First of all, we will find the class. This one is all are the lower boundary. So here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, that is your lower boundary. So what is your upper boundary? 5, 10, 10, 15, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. That is actually not necessary. Okay, now frequency, to find the frequency, what will we do? You know it, 30 minus 28. 30 minus 28. આ બે તમને જે દેખાય એમાંથી મોટામાંથી નાનું માઇનસ કરી નાખવાનું. ઓકે, 30, 28, 16, 14, 7, 3. 30 minus 28, 28 minus 16, 30 minus 28, 2, 12, 2, 10, 7, 4, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 3. Okay, that is 7 minus 3. That is 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. અહીં આપણે wrong કરેલું 0 લખી દીધું 3 minus 3. I have corrected it. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So that is, it becomes the normal frequency distributions. 5 to 10 to 10 to 15, 12, 15 to 22. Just I have shifted here. From that we will find the cumulative frequency less than time. So that is your upper limit. I have to select here upper limit 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Less than type 10. What is your cumulative frequency? 2. 2 plus 12, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 3, 30. Got it? Now coordinate. Coordinate, which is your x coordinate? That is your x coordinate. Which is your y coordinate? That is your y coordinate. 10 to 15, 14, 20, 16, 25, 20, 30, 23, 35, 27, 40, 30. If you plot this one and draw the smooth curve, you will get the less than type frequency curve. Just I will draw it with the red pen. 10, 2. Where is your 10? This. And where is your 2? Here. 10 and 2. Second, 15 and 14. That is your 15 and that is your 14. Next, 20 and 16. 20 and 16. Then 25 and 20. 25 and 20. Next, 30 and 23. 30 and 23. Next, 35 and 27. 35 and 27. And next 40 kitla che 30. 40 you will get 30. We will draw it here. 40, 30. Draw the smooth curve. That is your less than type cumulative frequency curve or check. Okay, what is your intersection point? That is your intersection point. The x coordinate of intersection point is your answer. That is your answer. X is equal to 17.5 is your answer. On the same graph paper, we have drawn both the more than type and less than type frequency curves and get the answer x coordinate of the intersection point. Okay, now we will see into the calculations method. See in calculation method, it is not asked, actually it is not asked, although we will do it. Now n by 2, 30 by 2, 15. 15 observations, where is our 15 observations lies? 16 up to 16 here. So 15 observations lies in this 15-20 class. 15 observations lies in 15 to 20 class. So 15-20 is a median class. So CF, cumulative frequency of preceding class, 14, you know it. Frequency of the cumulative class 2. For this we have to find this normal frequency. H 20 minus 15 H. Put this value here. Lower limit of the frequency 15 plus n by 2 is 15. CF is equal to minus 14. F is equal to 2. H is equal to 5. So 15 plus 5 upon 2, 15 plus 2.5 is equal to 17.5 is your answer. Okay, I have drawn here exact graph, so you will get this idea. On the x-axis I have taken the 2 centimeter. See here, 2, 5, 10, and on the y-axis I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, like this way. You will get this idea. I have drawn all this one. Okay, for you. कहीं कि આપણે બોર્ડ ઉપર ડ્રો કરીએ ને એક્ઝેક્ટ ગ્રાફ પેપરમાં ડ્રો કરીએ એમાં ફરક આવશે. So I have do it. So you will get the idea. Try it to draw yourself. ફરીથી આ એક વખત ડ્રો કરજો એટલે તમને ખ્યાલ આવી જશે. Okay.